Hi, welcome back to the Coding Genius, and in this video we will talk about overlay. We can use overlay to display other content on top of other widgets in widget tree. And here you can see I have created three different examples. So first of all, let me show you the demo. And here you can see our app is working. So here you can see this is our basic example. If I click that's show overlay, so actually it's showing a progress indicator. Let me show you this example. Here you can see I have created a stateless widget, and in center I have added a button elevated, and on its pressed it will show a loading indicator. And in this method you can see I have added overlay code, like here is the initialization of overlay state, then this is the entry point. Okay, then we have inserted into our overlay state. If we go to this insert method, here you can see they have other two options like below and above. Actually these are for on which position you want to show your overlay, on below of that widget or on top of the particular widget. So this is for that purpose. Okay, and if you don't provide anyone, so it will just show on above. Okay, so this is the basic example. Now if we show you the intermediate, in which I have created a tooltip. Let me show you that intermediate overlay example. If I hard restart, and here you can see if we click on this tab for tooltip, so it's showing our tooltip below that button. Okay, here you can see if we click again it will dismiss, and if we click then it will show this is a custom tooltip. Now here is the code. If we go to its code, it's a stateful widget, and it's a overlay entry variable that is null by default, and I have used layer link for showing the tooltip. Here you can see show tooltip and hide tooltip on button pressed. So there are two different methods. Okay, on hide tooltip it will remove our entry, okay, and make it null. On show tooltip, if we go to here, we can see I have added this overlay entry. Okay, so this is the code for our tooltip. Now the third one is like our advanced overlay example, and in this example I have actually created a box that you can swipe. Okay, let me show you the demo. Here you can see box is created, and we can drag it anywhere on the screen, and if you click on this cross button then it will be dismissed. Okay, so this is our advanced example for our overlay. Here I have created a stateful widget. Okay, and this is its build method, and on tab it will show a draggable overlay. If we go to this drag for overlay, you can see on entry point we have created a positioned widget, and we have added its offset dx and dy. This offset is changing actually here when we drag our container. Okay, and on cross icon click, then it will hide our overlay. So this is the code. So this is for overlay, and I will provide the code link of the code in the description, so you can also get the code from that link. So this is for this video, and I will see you in next video.